Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So we have the formula in here. So we want to cancel the square root. So we need to have a to the power of 2. But this one, that is about 8 minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b so that we can create this one. So that should be like this. Now we need to simplify, and we got 1 plus s sin s minus number 1, because the power number 2 they cancel the square root number 1, that is about b squared. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So I will put cosine s squared go to the right. But this one we just have 1 minus cosine s. So we need to multiply by 1 plus cosine s to create this one in here. And this one we have 1 minus cosine s squared. We know that 1 minus cosine s squared, that is about sin s squared. And now we can simplify sin s. Next, we divide both sides by s. Now we have the formula in here. When s approaches to number 0, sine of as over as equals to number 1. So that means this one equals to number 1 when s approaches to number 0. Now we can put number 0 cone here and here. So we have the final answer. Cosine of number 0 we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one you got number 0, so we have the square root of number 1. And that is about number 1. So we simplify, we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.